Good morning and welcome back, and thanks for all of the new subscribers. I still think that 42% are watching without being subscribed is too high of a number, so please do me this favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video valuable, even consider sharing it. But we've got stuff to talk. The weekly insurances are out, and I gotta say, I hate doing those videos because I think weeklies are the wrong metrics, they're misleading. We don't even know how accurate the numbers are. There have been gaps between what's been reported by the official numbers in the deliveries versus these sort of insurance registrations, which are possibly coming just from a competitor. And this video will be also around how is this narrative created around weeklies and all of the hype with that and the expectations. So I'd like to have a look in some of the expectations out there here. This Twitter account is expecting 6,700 vehicles delivered for this week. Can you believe it? Here's the prediction by Jason, 5,500 to 5,800 for the week. Here another account, 5,000 to 5,500. NIO Admirer also well above 5,000. So all of these accounts publicly stating very high expectations and therefore also setting the expectations for all of us, for the community, right? Well, the reality, unfortunately, is that the reality is still much lower than our expectations here. NIO's coming in at 4,300. And so this begs the question, what favor are we doing us for hyping up those deliveries for the weeklies and watching them closely and then setting the expectations so high and not meeting them on a regular basis? If we look at the actual number, the 4,300, they're actually not too bad if you think about it. And also, especially if you compare it to XPeng, it seems to be well in sync. It's beating the XPeng numbers, which is a cheaper vehicle. And yeah, what does it mean for NIO? It means higher volume, higher margins, even with a higher average sales price. So that's actually a good performance. But once again, I'm coming back to what's the stock doing, and we see that XPeng is outperforming NIO on this timeline, despite the fact that actually the delivery figures are looking the exact way around, right? And so the reality must be that we are just having still too high expectations out there for NIO stock, and some of these accounts, which by the way I've never seen before this bull run, some of them actually even pumped other stocks like Mullen, or actually have been even bearish on NIO before, and I used to block them, and now they're coming out and pumping NIO for 20 or 30 US dollars. I think that makes not a lot of sense, all while NIO is actually doing a great job in this turnaround. The trajectory is up, there is a trend change in the deliveries, and it's a pretty great number considering what they're doing and in what kind of segment they're selling. By the way, I also have another video coming up about that NIO has denied the Mercedes-Benz rumors, so make sure again to subscribe to this channel to get my take on that. But coming back to the fundamentals, I think even this current figure is well on a trajectory to show growth again for NIO, which is great. And I think there's even a likelihood, if we come down with our expectations a little bit, that we will actually get a beat in expectations in the future if we just have more realistic assumptions, and then NIO has actually a chance to surprising us towards the end of the year. So I guess I've got two key messages here. Number one is I like the longer view versus the short-term view, because this can be quite fluctuating, volatile and misleading. The second one is I think the NIO community is doing itself no favor in hyping up things and setting unrealistic expectations. So that's it from my side. Some of you guys may well not like this, but that's it. That's my opinion. Thanks for your comments down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.